so young, the instant queen, a rich, beautiful thing of all the talents, a cross between a fantasy of the bedroom and a saint. And you were just a backstreet girl, hustling and fighting, scratching and biting, a high-flying adored. Did you believe in all your wildest moments, all this would be yours, as you'd become the lady of them all? Were there stars in your eyes when you crawled in at night from the bars, from the sidewalks, from the gutter theatrical? Don't look down, it's a long, long way to fall.